This video is about 3 travel tips that will help set you up for success every time you plan your travel and hopefully help you avoid making costly mistakes. Let's talk about it. My name is Benita Marie. My channel is about all things travel, especially activities to do when you travel. Travel tip number 1. Customize your trip for things that you enjoy. Ask yourself, what type of traveler am I? For myself, I love excursions. I love activities. I love attractions. That is what I look forward to. Those are the things I can plan a trip around. If I get to do particular activities, everything else around that is just extra. That would be the main thing I look forward to. What do you like to do? Do you look forward to just sitting somewhere, poolside on a beach, in a remote cabin, maybe fishing, maybe a museum, whatever it is that is the thing that you love to do when you travel, the thing you look forward to the most, the thing that when you come back, you say, oh, my favorite part was just what? Whatever that is, plan your travel around that, embrace that, and you will have such a wonderful travel experience. Travel tip number 2, transportation. Plan out your transportation, all transportation, from the moment you leave your home to the moment that you come back to your home. Plan out your transportation. It is so easy to forget the little pieces of transportation here and there just because you have this big trip with all these moving parts. And when I first started traveling, for some reason, I would always forget to plan how to get to the airport, and so many times how to get home from the airport. It just did not occur to me until like last minute or something like that. Now I'll do transportation separately, and I have on my little transportation schedule every place where I will need transportation. Every place, no matter how small, no matter how close, how far, all important things, but it's on my little transportation schedule. Like from home to the airport, from the airport to the hotel, from the hotel to the activity, from the activity to the hotel, from the hotel but to the airport, from the airport to home. There's just a schedule of every single piece of my trip where I'm going to need transportation. So very, very helpful. Just think about it, give it as little or a lot, just as much planning as you need to do. Of course, if you're traveling with, let's say someone with mobility issues, they might need a little more transportation. They would appreciate the extra care. If you're traveling with large checked items, maybe bikes or golf clubs or, I don't know, kayak, surfboard, whatever you're going to do, a little more planning just to make sure that your things are cared for, because of course you're taking them for a reason. But definitely cannot stress enough how costly and how difficult not planning your transportation can become if you forget and try to do things last minute and try to make things work when they just needed a better plan. Travel tip number 3, plan to entertain yourself. Entertain you. What do you like to do? What do you like to do? Not just on your trip, that's a big part of it, but even on those downtime times. My trip starts from the time I leave my house and get into my car and head to the airport to the time I come back. Because if you're an adult like me, you know that your day to day, it just keeps you going and it eats up the entire day, day after day. When you're planning your trip, by the time you're on your way to the airport, you can no longer do those day-to-day things. You are out of the norm, and it is beautiful. It is so nice. So, I mean, in the car on my way to the airport, I got my playlist going. Hopefully, it's going to be something that kind of gives me those vibes for where I'm traveling to, whether I'm going to the island or my son had a playlist when we went to Ireland. And I thought that was the funniest thing because it was actually some really good music, but it definitely had the vibe going, just started us out. And then, even whether I'm at the airport or waiting for my flight or on a layover, any of those things, I still plan for the things so I can entertain myself and embrace that downtime because you don't get that every day. I know I don't. Maybe you do. I don't get that every day. So I know once I get to the airport, I love to read. Oh, I love my audiobooks. In the airport, I love a lounge. I was well past grown before I started going into the lounges. I highly recommend just take a look and see. I researched the lounges along with the airports when I researched the airport. I love to, what did we say? I love my books to read. I download everything on my phone. I don't normally take hard copies. So I love to download the books. I love the audio books. I love word search. I love crossword puzzles. I love, my planner. My planner. I love to plan. Give me my planner and a pen. Oh my gosh. I can just entertain myself for hours with the things that I've already mentioned. So how do you entertain yourself? Enjoy the entire trip. Try to build up those vibes. That's what I do. I want to build on to those vibes, build on to those positive vibes. And I am so relaxed and ready for my trip long before I get to my destination. Long before. I hope some of these tips help you like they have helped me over the years. Until next time, happy travels and positive vibes. Peace.